Hello everyone, my name is Marcus and welcome to a new design vlog. So today I was thinking about doing some isometric typography. I really like isometric design. I think it's so strong and it's sometimes it's really easy to make and to achieve really something visual appealing. That's a word I want to use. Actually doing this in the morning today because I had like a few bits, like a couple of hours free. In my morning, I was just like, you know what, I'm gonna just put the vlog on this time so I actually be more productive. I don't need to wait to be really tired at the end of the day to make the design vlog. So I'm gonna do it right now, and that's what I'm doing. Cool, let's go. So I'm gonna write LAB, which stands for my lab, design lab channel thing I have. And then I'm gonna change this to pengram. And I also did a little bit of research before doing this episode today. So not research, I was just like, I had an idea and then I was just like, oh, I know what I'm gonna do today. So this will probably be a quick one because I know where I'm going. So right click, create outlines. Going to make this black and white, increase the stroke to 10, something like this. Gonna change the strokes. Here I'm gonna make the cap rounded. Oh, my screen is saying it's gonna power off if I don't touch something to prevent the power off. Okay, my screen is not powering off, and just lab, we're gonna ungroup this, and then I'm going to just gonna leave it like this for now. Then I'm going to select the letter L, going to Effects 3D and Materials 3D Classic, and I'm gonna use the Rotate Classic. I'm gonna change this to be isometric left. It's so cool that we actually have all the isometric perspectives already presetted there. So we can actually just change it really quick, like this. Letter B now, I'm gonna use a top isometric perspective, isometric top. I do not want this direction to be like that. I will actually want to rotate this to this side here. So it's facing that way. Perfect. Now I'm going to select all of them, go to Object and Expand Appearance, and then I'm going to create this little clipping masks. I'm just going to delete them because I hate them and they are useless. And I'm going to just delete this one as well. Maybe I should start doing these vlogs in the morning. I have way much more energy to give. Let me know what you think if you've been watching these vlogs, and which normally I made them in the afternoon, so maybe I will be a little bit tired. Just going to make a copy of this. And then I'm going to move this one front. I'm going to make a copy of that one. And then I'm going to use the blend tool. I'm going to make specified steps. Going to maybe 20. And just press OK. Why is this not doing the steps? What's going on? Are they grouped together? No, should be okay. Okay, it is okay. And there is something weird happening there. Why is the points they're not meeting? That's interesting. Maybe just a mistake, not mine, Illustrator mistakes. And then I'm gonna make the same thing for the letter A. Apply blend. So the shortcut for the blend tool is Alt or Option Command B. I think it's Alt Command B in Windows. I use Mac, so the shortcuts can be a little bit different. But actually, I'm not 100% sure about that. LAB, you're gonna do the same thing for the letter B now. Just make it, oh, sorry, just my phone is vibrating. Just had a call with my dad. I don't know if he's messaging me about something. And yeah, it's around Christmas, people start calling you, you know, it's normal. Just gonna make the letter B there, and maybe change this composition to here. Letter A, LAB, lab. Amazing. Cool, I really like this already, so I just wanted to do something quick today as well. So I don't want to take much of your time. Maybe if you like to watch me, watch another video if this wasn't enough time for you. No, I'm joking, just watch another videos. I have plenty of videos there. I kind of like this already. I was just thinking if I increase the size a little bit, maybe, no, not that big though. Kind of gonna increase the size. I'm not sure about the white background. Maybe I want to make this a darker background. Let's just make a rectangle here. Just make this really quick. And Okay, gonna make it dark. And then move it backwards as well. Maybe not, I think I'm gonna match the color of the stroke here. Nice, something like this. And yeah, kind of like this. Could I change the color of these things to white and then leave the inside black? Maybe. Let's just see. How do I change that? Oh, it doesn't let me. It is because, okay, I will just keep it simple. I'll leave it like this. If I wanted to change this to a different color, I'll probably just jump into Photoshop. Let's just go to Photoshop really quick. Oh, it's opening Photoshop. Just new file. New file, please. Oh, it's already here. It's because I change my screen resolution every time I do these vlogs, because my screen is a 4K screen, LG HDR 4K. It's a really nice screen. And if I make it like the resolution I normally use, look the size of this, so it's not very useful. I still have things open here from Cinema 4D from the last day. And so yeah, I do leave it as larger text, so we can read it, not just very small icons in your screen. Okay, let's go back to Illustrator. If I want just to change the colors for this one, I will just change it, paste it here, and then just maybe like Command I to invert it and see how it looks. It does look nice, although I do like the dark background. Just gonna leave it here. I just use Photoshop sometimes just to experiment really quick with colors, and it actually works sometimes really well. So let's just try it here, and then maybe apply curves on Photoshop just to see how much can we push this. Yeah, nah, I kind of like it just like this. I was thinking, imagine if we actually used, let's just make a copy of this one and use the negative space to write the letters. Let's see if this works. Yeah, kind of like it, but I don't know if we can actually have entire access to the shape of the letter. And there is something really weird happening on these strokes today. Maybe I will just change this to something different, like, oh, I can't do anything there. Can I? I don't know, I just feeling like there's a lot of edges happening. I don't know. I kind of like it, but I do think, let's just experiment. There is no cost in experimentation, so let's just do it. Yeah. Why this worked really nicely there, it doesn't work really nicely here. Maybe the same thing here. Just gonna copy and paste it in place and see. Yeah, you can read it. It's not impossible to read. Maybe it's actually interesting, but nah, just gonna leave it like this. It's easier to read, and it's probably better to be able to read in a thumbnail. What else could I do to make this seem more interesting? I think it's enough. I think I probably shouldn't overkill all of my designs. Just make it simple today. And yeah, let's just, if we change the color of this one, for example, like to something like this. Oh, it does break it. It does create a cool effect though. Let's just do the same thing here. I like this experimentation part of the vlog. It's just like, what happens if I do this? And then it breaks everything. No cool. Not cool enough. No, let's break it. No, leave it as it was. Well, I think I'm gonna just make a sphere. I'm feeling this is very empty, very minimalistic design, and I'm not sure if I'm feeling that way today. Maybe I am. Maybe it's just gonna be like a very minimalistic design for you today. Yeah, I'm just gonna leave it like this. I think it's good. I think it was a good exercise anyway. And just using perspective tools, I'll choose a really nice font. And I'm gonna just make this maybe a little bit bigger. Maybe we can even actually blend in between colors, like if we change this color to something more No, leave it as it is, Marcus. Stop it. Just going to add some typography around it. Must lab, and just going to add some nice some nice type here, and some nice type here as well, maybe in the corners. I know it's not very precise. This, if I was making this like with more time and I wanted to make this 2-hour thing, I would definitely make grids and make it like spacing equally and everything. But this is a very quick exercise, so I'm not supposed to, you know, to overkill myself on this. Because sometimes I know my designs are like not very well spaced, but it's just like me trying to be quick, okay? It's not, don't judge me by these really quick videos that I make. I'm just going to group this and then align it to an artboard. The artboard, perfect. Maybe change the font. Actually, gonna make it light or regular, extra light, regular. Yeah, I think this is it. I think I'm gonna stop it now. Maybe add a sphere behind it with a color. I know, I should stop. Someone stop me, please. Or maybe actually can just scale this down. Oh no. Why can't I scale this as well? Okay. I like it though. I like this little sphere. I think it had something. Maybe if I apply color to it, make it more poppy or some sort of thing. Just white. Just white, yeah. Maybe I will group this. Align this circle. I will group this, scale it up, and then use this circle as a mask for it and see if that does something interesting. It does something interesting. Should I actually scale it and expect you to be able to read it? It does make it look nice though. It gives a little bit of I don't know, like a different sense. Like feels like more a building or some sort. Yeah, kind of like it. Kind of like I just don't like these lines that happening in this Illustrator today. But what can I do? We'll just make it shorter, and then maybe I know someone needs to stop me, right? And just maybe make it like this. Lock this one. Copy this one. Make a circle around the circle, just to add more details to it. And yeah, I know it's too much now, or isn't. I don't know. I just want to stop, but I can't. Just want to stop. It's good already. Please stop. Okay, I will stop now. Thank you so much for watching this vlog today. I'm full of energy, and I wanted to do it. And it's the middle of the morning, and this is probably the first time. Maybe I should do these vlogs in the morning, but it's so complicated to have time in the morning. I don't know. Yeah. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this vlog today. If you did, please like and subscribe if you're not subscribed yet to this channel. And I hope I see you in the next one. Cheers. Bye bye.